Apple CEO Tim Cook, he made a few dollars. Well,
did he?
Yeah, he made a few bucks. I think
selling lemonade or something.
I'm not really sure what he got up to. You're probably right. Lemonade, maybe apple juice.
Yeah,
apple juice.
Apple juice, huh?
That's rude that I apologize to everybody for even. He made $133 million last year. I think the only guy above that was Elon Musk, 595.3. These are complicated. It's complicated the way their salary. Like, for example, him, $3 million in salary, $7.7 million bonus, $122 million in stock awards, and then it also says $884 million in perks. What?
Perks? What?
Yeah, it's so vague.
That's a lot of money.
No, just perks. That's just lunch money, okay? Don't look into it. Just perks. So anyways, the actual compensation doesn't take the perks into account. It's only those first three by the looks of it, if you add them up. Salary, bonus, and stock awards. However, he's got an expiring contract, believe it or not, even though he's doing obviously a great job. They're rewarding him quite well here. His contract expires after 2021.
He's a free agent?
That's what they said. They say free agent, which of course is kind of bogus. Is that really the way it works? Can you imagine Tim Cook going to work at Samsung? Like, it just doesn't, it's not going to happen. So not really a free agent in that sense, but certainly he'll be in a position to renegotiate his terms. And presumably with things going well, although I guess this analysis probably shifts a little bit given what's been going on with COVID, like they're going to have to adjust certain expectations, but he can then go renegotiate and potentially get even more. Now, a lot of people at Apple actually made a lot of money, including Chief Financial Officer Luca Maestri, $25.2 million. Senior Vice President Kate Adams, $25.2 million. Deirdre O'Brien, $19.2 million. And actually even Angela Earhart's, who left the company, $22.3 million, including a stock award. So Apple's just handing out, it's all going well. It just $20 million, $50 million, $100 million, $800 million in perks. It'd be nice to get some perks like that. But yeah, the stock price, Apple's stock price, been pretty healthy, and that's, I guess, really that's one of the things a CEO would care about, isn't it? Mm-hmm. So, $133 million. What does he do with all that? I wonder what type of life he lives. He seemed like a reserved guy. You don't ever really see much on his private life. You don't really see much what he's out there doing. It's not like a lot of other billionaires. You kind of feel like you got an idea what's going on.
Yeah, he's a big college football guy.
Okay.
And he likes Apple products. That's all I know.
Okay, that's the extent. That's the extent of Tim Cook's public life.
Yeah.
But anyway, he's got a lot. He can do whatever he wants. If a few more years at 150 million and 800 million in perks, he can do whatever he wants. Will.
Mm-hmm.